Hi students, we will continue with the next enthalpy. Enthalpy of combustion, delta AC, is the heat released when 1 mole of substance is completely burned in excess of oxygen at stated condition of temperature and pressure. The value is always negative because combustion is an exothermic process. So dia memang sentiasa heat release lah. Okay. So contoh carbon dioxide, the combustion of carbon dioxide. Sorry, the combustion of carbon, not carbon dioxide. The combustion of carbon. Carbon burned in oxygen produces carbon dioxide. The enthalpy of combustion is minus 393 kilojoule lah, right? 393 kilojoule per mole. Okay. Similarly, if I want to write the thermochemical equation, let's say for example for aluminium and for ethanol, this is how we write. Aluminium plus 3 over 4 O2 produces half Al2O3. The value is negative 835 kilojoule per mole and it is standard enthalpy of combustion. Meaning to say, ini definition kita boleh ubah jadi standard enthalpy of combustion juga. Okay. Bila kita ubah jadi standard enthalpy of combustion, then dia akan jadi definitionnya the heat release when 1 mole of substance is completely burned in excess of oxygen at standard condition bracket temperature equals to 298 Kelvin, pressure equals to 1 atm. Okay, kita kena bagi tahu lah kalau standard Okay. Next is enthalpy of atomization. Enthalpy of atomization is the heat absorbed when 1 mole of gaseous atom is formed from its element at stated condition. So, daripada elemen lah, dia jadi gaseous atom. So, perhatikan sodium from solid. Sebab dalam elemental state, sodium adalah solid. So, bila kita buat atomization, dia tukar jadi gas. The value is positive 109 kilojoule per mole. So, this is heat absorbed. That means endothermic sebab itu nilai dia positif. If chlorine, perhatikan chlorine, half Cl2 becomes Cl. This is how to atomize the chlorine. Chlorine in elemental state ialah molekul. Cl2 adalah molekul. Bila kita atomize, bonding antara chlorine dan chlorine akan break. Dia akan jadi monoatom atau single atom lah. Itu maksudnya enthalpy of atomization. We also can define standard enthalpy of atomization. Kalau kita define, dia akan jadi macam ini. Standard enthalpy of atomization is the heat absorbed when 1 mole of gaseous atom is formed from its element at standard condition bracket temperature 298 Kelvin, pressure 1 atm. Okay. Enthalpy of neutralization pula is the heat released when 1 mole of water is formed from the neutralization of acid and base at stated condition. Kalau standard enthalpy of neutralization, heat released when 1 mole of water is formed from the neutralization of acid and base at standard condition bracket 298 Kelvin and 1 atm. Excuse me. So neutralization saya rasa kita dah belajar masa chapter 7 semester 1. Is between acid and base lah. Cuma kita kena perhatikan kalau dalam thermochemistry ni water tu mesti berada dalam 1 mole. So students kena sangat berhati-hati bila melibatkan diproctic acid ataupun triproctic acid ataupun polyproctic acid di mana hidrogen dia lebih daripada 1. Contoh sulfuric acid atau phosphoric acid. Itu semua persamaan dia akan jadi sedikit berbeza. Sebab kalau kita nak kira enthalpy of neutralization, kita punya water mesti berada dalam 1 mole sahaja. Kita tak boleh multiply dengan 2 mole, tak boleh multiply dengan 3 mole, semua tak boleh. Okay? So in this case, the value is negative 57.3 kilojoule per mole. Untuk information, the enthalpy of neutralization kalau melibatkan strong acid and strong base, almost constant negative 57.3 kilojoule per mole. Ada buku yang claim negative 57.6 lah, dia lebih kurang sama lah. Okay. However, the enthalpy of neutralization which involve weak acid or weak base is less than minus 57.3 kilojoule per mole due to partial dissociation water. Contohnya katakan acid tu lemah, dia partially ionized dalam water, maka nilai enthalpy neutralization dia rendah daripada negatif 57.3 lah. Sama juga kalau melibatkan weak base. Dia partially ionized in water, maka dia punya heat of neutralization atau enthalpy of neutralization yang melibatkan weak base, nilainya yang dikira menunjukkan di bawah negatif 57.3.